Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by organizing your dataset in one Excel sheet. Use one header row for variable names and place each variable in its own column. Ensure the dependent variable sits in one column and predictors occupy adjacent columns. Remove blank rows and code missing values consistently before analysis. Confirm the sample size explicitly, for example 100 rows of observations. Save a backup copy before proceeding, and keep variable names short and descriptive for easy selection later. Enable the Analysis tool pack add-in if it is not active in Excel. Go to File, Options, Add-ins, select Excel Add-ins, then check Analysis tool pack and click OK. Open the Data tab, click Data Analysis, and choose Regression from the list. Set the Y range to your dependent column and the X range to your predictor columns. Check labels if you included headers, set confidence level to 95, request residuals and residual plots. Then click OK to run the regression. Begin interpretation with R-squared and adjusted R-squared to assess explained variance. Review the coefficients table for each predictor, noting coefficient values and standard errors. Identify statistically significant predictors by checking p-values below 0.05. Use the ANOVA F-statistic to test overall model significance. Inspect residual plots for patterns and heteroscedasticity, and calculate Durbin-Watson near 2 to detect autocorrelation. Compute variance inflation factor values to flag multicollinearity, and consider transforming variables or removing predictors if VIF exceeds 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.